In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Chrome Tabstrip combo button step by step. This is a quick browser tweak that can change how your Tabstrip and toolbar behave in Google Chrome, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and software how-tos. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome, so you're starting from a clean tab. In the address bar at the top, type chrome://flags and press enter. This will open Chrome's experimental features page, where you can turn certain hidden options on or off. Once the flags page loads, look for the search box near the top of the page. Click inside that search box and type combo. As you search, Chrome will filter the list of available flags so you can find the exact setting much faster. Now look through the filtered results until you see the flag called Horizontal Tab Strip Combo button. This is the setting you need to change. When you find it, click the drop-down menu on the right side of the flag. By default, it will usually be set to default, but you want to change it to enabled. After you select enabled, Chrome will show a blue relaunch button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click that button to restart Chrome and apply the change. Once Chrome opens again, the new tab strip combo button layout should be active. If you don't see the change right away, just make sure Chrome fully restarted and that the flag was actually set to enabled before relaunching. That's usually all it takes. And remember, because this is a Chrome flags feature, it may change over time as Google updates the browser. And that's it. You've now enabled the Chrome Tab Strip combo button. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple browser tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.